Mrs. M's here, and I'm so excited to share our first ever Tigerville Library unboxing. I shared this with some students today, and they were kind of excited about the idea of this, so I thought it would be fun to try. We started ordering new books for the school year, and we're beginning to get some in, so I wanted to share with you this box of new books we got. So first, I'm going to open it, and let's see what's inside. Ooh, I see lots of good books. Books that students have requested. The first one we have is a new Bad Guys book. The Bad Guys in the Baddest Day Ever. I've had lots of requests for Bad Guys books. It's some of our most popular books. Our next one, the sequel to the Cardboard Kingdom, Roar of the Beast. Another copy of Dogman, Grime and Punishment. The new Last Kids on Earth and the Doomsday Race. This is a very popular series. We can't keep this one in stock. Ooh, a new Troll Hunters, The Secret Story of Trollkind. This was requested by a third grader. Well, this one's coming out and the cover's kind of coming off of it. Let me see if I can get the cover back on before we lift it up. And this is Doodleville. It's by the same author of the Cardboard Kingdom, which is another popular series. And then we've got a few more Bad Guys books. This is Bad Guys number 12 in The One. And it also says we're soon to be a major motion picture by DreamWorks. So that's kind of cool. This series of books that lots of kids are reading is being made into a movie. And we've got Bad Guys number 13 in Cut to the Chase. Oh, I see another one that's going to be popular. It's The Last Kids on Earth, The Thrilling Tales from the Treehouse. And this is another series where we have the first book, and the second book of the series has just come out. Max and the Midnight, Battle of the Bodkins. Oh, there's some more books in here. Oh, The Magic Misfits, The Minor Third. So this is the third book in the series. Some of these have shifted over and I was trying to get them kind of in an order. Let's see, what is this one? Oh, The Magic Misfits, the fourth suit. So this is the fourth one in the series with this one. So we already have books 1 and 2. Now we've got books 3 and 4. Zorro Gets an Outfit. This is the sequel to Mr. Bud Wears the Comb. And we got a lot of people that liked that one. It was a South Carolina Picture Book Award nominee a few years ago. So Zorro Gets an Outfit. You see, I'm running out of space here for some of our books. Oh, we've got a replacement copy for Knuffle Bunny. This is another very popular book that has been well loved through the years. Let me see where did I put my scissors, because I think I'm going to need them, but I don't see them, so they may be under the books. But let me see if they're under the books. Yeah, they're under the books. Hold on. Then we have Raleigh Jefferson's Awesome Friendly Spooky Stories by Jeff Kinney. This is the author of the Wimpy Kid books. And we have a replacement copy of Dogman Fetch 22. Dogman books, again, can't keep them on the shelves. Let's see, this is a complete series of Trapped in a Video Game, and you'll see we'll be taking these out of here to put them on the shelf, but it's Trapped in a Video Game, Trapped in a Video Game, The Invisible Invasion, Trapped in a Video Game, Robots Revolt, Trapped in a Video Game, Return to Doom Island, and Trapped in a Video Game, The Final Boss. And this is what I needed my scissors for. I'm not sure what this is, so let's find out. Kind of excited. It's got all this fancy packaging. It makes you wonder what it might be. Let's see. Get this open. Oh, it's The Land of Stories, a treasury of classic fairy tales. This is another series that is very popular with our 5th graders. There's a whole series of books. There's like 7, I believe, in the series. Maybe 8. And this one is the classic fairy tales that the series is based on. So that series is a retelling of classic fairy tales. And the last book we have, this is a new series or another series by the author of the Land of Stories that we just looked at. This series is called, I'm not sure what the series is called exactly, but the first book is A Tale of Magic, and then we had A Tale of Sorcery, and this is A Tale of Witchcraft. Again, taking fairy tales and retelling them. That's very popular. Guys, I'm so glad that you tuned in for my first ever unboxing of new books for Tigerville. We plan to do this again next time we get another shipment in, so stay tuned and watch for another episode of unboxing.